drip, drop stops here. Emergency plumbing always near. Plumbing near me. Your one-stop shop. Water heater installation near me. Licensed plumber. Water heater replacement plumber near me. Water heater repair emergency plumber near me. Sump pump repair plumber near me. New sump pump installation near me. Sump pump battery backup system battery licensed plumber. Gas line installation plumber near me. Toilet repair bathtub repair plumber near me. New toilet installation emergency plumber near me. Pipe leaking emergency plumber. Pipe repair near me. Faucet repair plumber near me. Faucet installation emergency plumber near me also. Heating. Air conditioning near me. Air duct cleaning near me. Dryer vent cleaning near me and beyond. Experience rapid relief from plumbing worries. At Emergency Plumbing, we understand the urgency of your plumbing needs. Our expert team is ready 24/7 to tackle any plumbing challenge, ensuring that the annoying drip drops are a thing of the past. Why choose Emergency Plumbing? Emergency plumber near me. 24/7 availability. We're here whenever you need us, day or night, rain or shine. Quick response. Our local experts are always near, guaranteeing fast, efficient service. Skilled professionals with years of experience. Our plumbers handle everything from simple leaks to complex installations. Customer satisfaction. Your peace of mind is our top priority. We're not done until you're completely satisfied. Services offered: leak repairs, pipe installations and repairs, bathroom and kitchen plumbing, water heaters installation and repair, emergency plumber on call, and more. Don't let plumbing problems drown your day. Contact Emergency Plumbing, your reliable, local one-stop solution. Call us now. Emergency Plumbing always near. Contact us today. Phone 224-754-1984 North Shore, northwest suburbs of Chicago, Illinois.